everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, tayo po ngayon ay nasa Taal Church. Ayan. So for today, I'm gonna be showing you guys yung places that you can go to while you visit Lemery, Batangas. So for those of you who doesn't know, Lemery, Batangas is where Villarica Beach House is located. And this place is actually packed with tons of historical places and museums that you and your family can visit while staying at Villarica Beach House. So actually, we are exactly at the historic heritage town. Ayan. So to be exact, we are at the heritage town of Taal. So this one is just 20 minutes away from Villarica Beach House. And if galing kayong Manila, ganyan, pwede nyo tong daanan bago kayo pumunta sa Villarica Beach House. So yung pinaka-best time to go here is during middle of the day and also sunset. So for today, I'll be touring you to tons of spots where you and your family can visit dito sa heritage town of Taal. So let's go! So atin na pong tuntunin ang pinaka-church dito sa Taal. Ayan. So kung makikita natin, tingnan nyo, very talaga siya. Feeling natin nasa tayo, General Luna na setting. So ito ang historic Church of Taal. Ang ganda. So, nandito sa likod ko yung Basilica of St. Martin de Tours or ang tinatawag na Taal Basilica. So, itong pinaka-Taal Church over here is the largest Catholic church in Asia. So, would you believe that? It's only found here at Lemery, Batangas. Actually, dito sa heritage town of Taal, dito sa may Lemery, Batangas. Ayan. So, actually, yung standing height niya is 96 meters long and 45 meters wide. So, yung pinaka-art style na naka-apply dito or architecture style na ginamit dito is Baroque inspired. So, tara, tingnan natin siya sa loob. So, kwento ko na din sa inyo in between, yung pinakasalita dito sa Batangas ay Batanggenyo. So, very, siya, mas malalim siya sa Tagalog at definitely mas malalim siya sa Filipino. So, ayun. Trivia lang. Ayan.
May tindahan pa pala.
hello everyone! So, ang next destination naman natin ay ang San Lorenzo Ruiz Steps. So, ano ba yung meron dito sa San Lorenzo Ruiz Steps? Actually, ito ay ang historic connector between two churches above. So, yung pinuntahan natin kanina and also may church din sa baba. So, meron siyang 125 granite steps originally built in 1850s. So, very cool. Ayan, so far, okay naman yung pagbaba natin dito. Very, I think if may kasama kayong senior, I suggest na huwag siguro muna dito sa spot na to kasi medyo mahihirapan po ang ating mga auntie at uncle dito sa spot na to kasi hindi naman siya matarik, pero medyo lang. Yeah, ayan. So, very naman dito. Evenly spaced and malaki yung mga steps niya, hindi siya nakakapatid. Yun yung one good thing about this place. Ayan. Tapos meron din ditong mga upuan. So if you guys are looking na okay, after maglakad-lakad, mag-rest muna ako, so pwede po tayo dyan. Ayan, super scenic ng view. Check this out. Ayan o. So, yung mga bahay dito sa Taal is preserved talaga siya. So, itong heritage town na to is talaga siya. Kumbaga, ever since talaga, hindi nila change. Or if meron man silang changes, hindi naman super yung modifications dito sa spot. So, what I also like about this place is talaga siya. Kumbaga, maintained yung cleanliness, walang mga bystanders and everything. Very clear and preserved talaga yung space, which I really, really love. Yan guys, so actually ngayon ko lang din talaga na-discover tong place na to. Sobrang ganda. I didn't expect na may ganitong place dito sa Heritage Town of Taal, pero hindi ako nagtataka na may ganitong place. Pero ngayon ko lang talaga to napuntahan ever since. Yung papa ko kasi is taga Batangas and namalagi din talaga siya dito sa may Lemery, and I'm just really surprised na there's this really, really, really beautiful place like this. Ayan, so nandito na po tayo sa Our Lady of Kaysasay Church. Ayan, so sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda. Super nice. Super wow. So actually guys, nabasa ko lang na itong shrine pala, Itong shrine pala ni ito is nag-house siya ng 17th century image of Virgin Mary na nahanap sa Pansipit River. So yung Pansipit River is just around the corner and dun siya nahanap ng mga fishermen noong 17th century. So itong place na to is major pilgrimage site pala siya for devotees seeking miracles. Ayan. So yung pinaka-vibes dito is mas intimate siya, mas solemn, and mas spiritual yung vibe ng church na to. And I really, really love yung energy ng place na to. Sobrang ganda. Anong kwento nito? Pwede dito mag-ano? Nakakagaling yung tubig dito?
Opo. Mahiwagang tubig po yan. Dati po, naiinom po yan yung tubig. Eh ngayon po, yung pumutok po ang bulkan, hindi na po yan pwedeng inumin. Dati po, wala po yan tubig. Bigla-bigla na lang po nagkatubig. Tapos hindi po siya nagdadagdagan, din po yun nababawasan. Ganyan pa rin po ang lalim. Pagka nakakuha naman po siya ng tubig, ganyan pa rin po ang tubig. Malalim pa rin.
Ilang taon ka?
Ako po 7, ako po 8.
Oh, wow.
Buti wala kayong pasok ngayon.
Wala po.
Tapos ang pupunta dito ay yung mga nagbo-board exam, no?
Opo, pwede naman po kahit ano.
Sige. Alright, so time check, it's already 2:38 in the afternoon and it's almost time for a check-in at Villarica Beach House. So for today, yung pinaka destinations that we have covered took us around 2 to 3 hours. So if you guys are gonna be coming from Metro Manila, you can leave at around 6 a.m. and then dito na po kayo pwedeng mag-lunch dito sa Heritage Town of Taal. And you can explore the nearby spots and you can also do pilgrimage here. So yes. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of our vlog. If you have questions and comments, you can leave it down sa ating comment section. So thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!